Today, you will learn how to install Firefox in laptop of Windows 11 or 10 easily. First, click the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and search for Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge, then click the search bar at the top and type Firefox. In the search results, look for the official Mozilla Firefox website and open it. On the Firefox download page, click the Download Firefox or Get Firefox button to download the installer. Once the download is complete, look at the Downloads area in Microsoft Edge and click the downloaded Firefox installer to open it. If Windows shows a security warning, choose Open or Run. And if you see a user account control message asking whether you want to allow the installer to make changes to your device, click Yes. Firefox will then begin installing automatically, so just wait a few moments for the installation to finish. When the installation is complete, Firefox will open and you can complete or skip the welcome setup. You can also find the Firefox icon on your desktop and double-click it anytime you want to open the browser. And that's it! You have successfully installed Mozilla Firefox on your laptop. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.